Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through the each and every page. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the nav bar and you can see the hover effect, underline hover effect, as well as we have included the icons into our nav bar like the briefcase, fire as well as home icon. And you can see the Abhiram is highlighted and we have created a mask using SVG. Then we have the contact. You can see the hover effect, box shadow effect over it. And you can see that we have integrated the social media icons as well as whenever you hover onto it, the color changes. Then you can see that the smooth transition revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript, and you can see the box shadow effect around each and every skill that we have added. And you can see we have also integrated the icons here. Then we can go to the portfolio section, and in the portfolio section you can see when we hover onto it, we will get an page layout, a blur layout, where you can see we have also linked our Instagram, Facebook and GitHub links, so that you can be able to view this website, the portfolio, the projects that we have previously worked upon. Then we can go to the about section. You can see small about section we have here, and then we have the contact me form. You can see that the smooth revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript library, and the animation is very pure. It is a very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. Let me show you the website to you. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of this website. So this is the mobile version of this website. As you can see, they are perfectly aligned with each and every section is aligned to the exact size of the page. And you can see that we have also added our menu bar here. You can see the menu bar, clearly menu bar, very responsive and moving with a precision to the particular section that we want. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it is a very beginner friendly website. Uh, it is a very much professional website that you can use for your recruiting purposes, also for your resume projects, for your school projects or college projects. The entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely let me know any suggestions in the comment section, and any suggestions if you want to give me also, please let me know in the comment section. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more tutorials and for awesome front-end web development, definitely try to visit the channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. A home page with an light mode and dark mode feature. So now let's go to the website. As you can see, right now we are in the nav bar. You can see the underline effect below it. Now you can see the animation effect. Whenever you hover on to the main title, you can see art, a few moments, and you can see the underline effect for the nav bar. And you can see on theme change button, that is moon button. You can change the theme of the portfolio head home page. You can see how neatly we have done it by changing from light mode to dark mode. And you can see the social media icons that we have added like YouTube, and you can see the hover effect, how neatly it is evolving, and we can see the properly alignment of the social media icons, as well as we have also aligned our icons like our skill icons like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, JS as well. And you can see a smooth transition gradient text that we have done. And as you have already seen, we have also added the light dark mode to it, and you can see very cool effect. You can see the color changes from dark to white color. Now let's go. The home page is made out of, it is responsive, that is, it is also available in tab as well as in mobile version. Let me show you that. So now let's go to the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the responsive portfolio homepage. You can see we have the menu bar also here. There's no transition of menu bar, and we have the light and dark mode feature as well. And you can see the smooth transition effect. as well as for the social media icons. You can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center, giving a prominent look. And you can see that in the dark mode as well. You can see perfectly aligned exactly the center, neatly aligned, no deviation, no changes have been made. Very properly made website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. The full tutorial will be added to the YouTube channel. Definitely, if you want for more amazing content, try to visit the channel. And I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.